Hi guys, so this is a very simple but traditional Indian makeup. Again, great to do for Indian weddings, friend weddings of friends and relatives and stuff. And before we start, let me tell you, I'm having so much fun recording these videos and getting feedback from you guys. So I'd love it if you comment below or message me or write on my Facebook wall and let me know how you're liking the videos. And also you can tell me like how I can improve and stuff like that. Okay, so we're gonna start. We're gonna use the Maybelline Color Tattoo in bold gold with our finger all over our lid. But don't take it too high. Just keep it on the lid area. Don't take it up to the brow bone. And nicely blend it everywhere evenly. Now, bold gold is a beautiful golden color. As I'm sure you guys must have noticed, I use these color tattoos a lot. They're great. They're an amazing base. They have excellent color payoff, and eyeshadows look beautiful on top of them. You can even use them by themselves as eyeshadows, but I like to like play it up. So on top of that, I use MAC eyeshadow in all that glitters on a flat eyeshadow brush, and I just put it all over the lid. Now this eyeshadow is a little bit of a very dull gold with a little bit of baby pink and a few hints of silver. So okay, so after doing that, I'm taking, this is the Color Bar fluffy brush I was talking about in the previous video. So I took a matte brown on that, and I'm just putting it on my crease. Now if you find this difficult, then don't do it, skip it, practice it a few times and only then do it. But it's actually pretty easy. So anyway, so take a matte brown and put it on your crease. Your crease is the area right above your lid, so not on your lid, above your lid, in the area that is protruding out, it's coming forward. So anyway, now on a earbud, I'm taking a shimmery, champagne, goldeny, silvery color and putting it right under my brow bone. Now in Indian looks, it's quite ideal to use shimmery colors under the brow bone. And something more Western, you wouldn't use that much shimmer. But this is Indian, so you know where Indians are loud and colorful and all of that. So you can go for it. It will look beautiful with your Indian outfit and jewelry and everything. Now same eyeshadow, I took a little bit more on the same earbud and I'm putting it in my inner corner and I'm blending it out. And if you see, I'm using my finger to take off the excess product because it's a very shimmery color, so it looks a little bit too much. And okay, so now here I'm using the navy blue waterproof eye pencil from the brand called Faces. So I'm just going to line my upper lash line just just like that, not even being neat at all. And but I'm not taking it all the way in my inner corner, if you notice. And then I'm taking the earbud and I'm just going to blend it out. Now since this is a waterproof pencil, I don't need to set it with eyeshadow, so that makes my job much easier. So I just draw it on, take a earbud and nicely blend it in and out, and I'm done. I can leave it like that. It's going to stay all night. I can dance, I can party, I can be in a wedding for like 8 hours. It's going to be just like that. And in fact, I don't even think it will come off unless you use an eye makeup remover. So get yourself one of those. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that on my waterline. Okay, so I'm going to put that on my waterline and really well. And again, it's waterproof. You can use black instead of blue. I'm using blue, and you can do this look with any other color, okay? Anyway, so now I'm putting this also, after putting it on my waterline, I'm putting it under my outside my waterline, like on my lower lash line, and I'm just putting it on the outer half, little less than half, and blending it again with my earbud. Now I'm using a earbud here because I want to show you guys that you can do this kind of stuff and achieve these kind of looks without having too many brushes. Okay, I have brushes that I can use for this look. I'm just doing this to make life easier for everybody else watching the video, so please appreciate that. Anyway, here I'm using the Falsies mascara, again one of my favorite mascaras. I'm going to put 2-3 coats. It's an Indian look. Again, you can go all out and you know it looks amazing. Anyway, so I'll put it on my upper lash line and my lower lash line, lower lashes, upper lashes and lower lashes. And for this look, I've not shown you how to do my foundation. You can go see my previous videos to see how I do my foundation, or just do foundation the way you do foundation, whatever. And to finish off the look, I use the blush Desert Rose from MAC. I use a little bit of a golden highlighter, and I use a pink lipstick. I think it is Eternal Rose from the Maybelline 24 hours something 24-hour range, whatever. And I use a nudie lip gloss on top of that. So I hope you guys like the video. Please comment below and let me know what other videos you'd like to see. Let me know if this was useful. Tell me how I can improve myself and all of that. Anyway, I hope you try this out, and I'll see you guys for more.